Hey my friends, welcome back. We are continuing our road trip around Lennox and Addington County. But before we head off to Bonneco Provincial Park, I want to share a few more highlights from L&A County. But before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are out here in Lennox and Addington County. So we are in a little small town called Newburgh, and I believe it's part of the Stone Mills, I don't know, what would they call that? Stone Mills area? Township, Stone Mills Township. And Newburgh is a little small town. We just left the Airbnb, so we're starting the day. So the first stop is this place right across the street here that we're gonna go to called Abrams Bakery. And then we're gonna enjoy right behind us is a little place called Newburgh Conservatory, which is a little park. So we're gonna enjoy freshly baked bread inside the conservatory. I think that's the best way to start a morning, no?
Yes, I can't wait.
All right, let's do this. We got these amazingly fresh bagels with cream cheese and a maple square and a lemon square for dessert. And Newburgh Conservation Park is another delightful waterfront spot where you can check out the Napanee River or just sit and enjoy whatever you bought from Abrams Bakery. Those maple squares are so delicious that I needed to pull over and show you before I ate them all. So good. Hawkville Antiques is owned by a lovely couple, Pam and her husband. Pam told us that the farm has been in her husband's family name for 3 generations, but today it's an intriguing shopping spot for antique goodies. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for teacup.
Uh-huh. Here at Wilton's Cheese, there are endless rows of artisanal cheese to try, not to mention a gift shop and a deli where you can pick up some tasty treats like those amazing tasty cheese curds. Babcock Mill is home to machinery dating back to the early 1900s, built in 1856, which makes this a historical site here in Odessa. After the mill, we stopped off at Jiffy Grill for lunch. The Bee Spot is a small family-run business that started beekeeping as a hobby, but slowly transitioned into a business. The company not only sells honey and candles, but educates people about pollinators and the benefits of buying local. Bonneco Park is a fabulous place for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, camping, and kayaking. It's home to several gorgeous lakes, including part of the Mazenau Lake, one of Ontario's top 10 deepest lakes. There are some great family-friendly canoe routes that you can take and over 30 kilometers of backcountry hiking routes. The park is also a sacred place, once home to Indigenous tribes, and you can still see hundreds of Indigenous pictographs on different rock formations around the park. The final stop is Bonneco Park. I've been wanting to come here for a long time to see these beautiful cliff faces. Now, the thing about this place is that I don't really feel that it's as well known as the other provincial parks.
Yeah, there's not many people
There's nobody here. But it's absolutely stunning here.
Unbelievable.
So we're just going to do a little bit of hiking and have some fun. Besides the fascinating history of Bonneco, there are also great campgrounds where you can spend the night. You can choose from rustic cabins, fully serviced cabins, yurts, and tents.
That's it for this one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.